Hello everyone, I Madhulika Srivastav, class teacher of class 2, is present before you online to teach you mathematics unit 16 time. In this last part of video, I will explain before you copy work. So let's start to do copy work. You can see here the view of this chapter. For copy work, you have to make two line heading. For this you will draw two straight lines with the help of scale like this. On first line you will write unit 16 and on second line you will write time. On one corner you will write date and on other corner you will write CW. You will write page number also. Here you will have to write activity ACTIVITY activity. You will write the question draw a clock and show time 3 o'clock. For this you will have to draw one clock. You can draw the picture of clock in any shape. I have made clock in the shape of rectangular and I have written the number also. Like this you will draw very fairly the picture of clock and then you will draw two hands, hour hand and minute hand. Minute hand you will put on 12 and hour hand you will put on 3. Like this you will have to show the time 3 o'clock. Now on next page you have to write about clock. You can see here more clearly I have written, you can see clock. You will write clock dash. Clock tells us about time full stop. It has 3 hands. First, long hand. It is called a minute hand. Full stop. After leaving one line, you will have to write about shorthand. SHORT, short, HAND, hand. About this you will write it is called an hour hand. Spelling of hour will be HOUR. Okay. After that full stop. Third is second hand. Always moving hand is called a second hand. Like this you will write. After this, downside of this page you will write about time recall. Time recall 7. In another way you will write 7 o'clock. 7:15 you will write quarter past 7. In two ways you can write these times. 7:30 half past 7. 7:45 we may know it as quarter to 8. Okay. Like this you will write. Now on next page you will write about day. So you have to write, you can see here more clearly. I will show this page in two parts. First part you will write, you can see here that I have written a day is divided into 5 parts. Like this you also will write. On first line you will write morning. Second line you will write midday. Third line you will write of afternoon. Fourth line evening. And on fifth line you will write night. Now downside of this page you will write about calendar. CALENDAR. You will write about calendar. Calendar is a record of all dates and days of a year. It thus shows the months and weeks of a year. Full stop. Like this you will write. Now on next page you will write about days. In days you will write there are 7 days in a week. After that you will have to write all days name here as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. You will write every spelling correctly and in very fair handwriting you will write everything. Okay. Now on next page you will write about months. What are months? So how many months are there? You will write that there are 12 months in a year. After that you will have to write all months name here. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Like this you will write all months name one by one very clearly. After that on next page you will write about seasons. Seasons. Okay. Here you will write about Hindi seasons. There are 6 seasons in a year. Full stop. First you will have to write Shishir. SHISHIRA. Shishir. Second Vasant. VASANTA. Third is Grishma. GRISHMA. Fourth is Varsha. 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 Fifth is Sharad. SHARADA. And last month is of Hemant. HEMANTA. Like this you will write about seasons. Now you will have to write about calendar, days, minutes, seconds, everything. You will write very clearly. First you will write by studying STUDING the calendar we learn that. We learn that first 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Here. After that 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 30 or 31 days is equal to 1 month. 365 days is equal to 1 year. "12 months also we can know as 1 year. 52 weeks equal to 1 year. 366 days equal to 1 leap year. बाबू तुम नेट से ही लिख रहे हो क्या सीधे?
नहीं।
ओह, इसमें तो हम ये बोल दिए, गलत हो गया।
क्या?
गलत हो गया। On next page you will write, by studying the calendar CLENDAR we learn that first 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 24 hours equal to 1 day. 30 or 31 days equal to 1 month. 365 days equal to 1 year. 12 months equal to 1 year. 52 weeks equal to 1 year. 366 days equal to 1 leap year. 10 years equal to 1 decade. 100 years is equal to 1 century. You will write like this. Hope you understood, which I explained before you. Copy work. You will write everything very neat and clean work in your copy. Thank you. Goodbye.